one could ever want to make money that requires little to no effort. And what can help us with that? Yes, the internet. Utilizing the internet happens to be one of my favorite ways, because aside from not having a lot of workload on a daily basis, I am still able to earn a decent income. If you're wondering how most people prefer staying and working remotely than those of on-sites, it is because of the privileges that the internet has introduced to us. The ease of everything, from small to corporate work, were all because of the presence of online connectivity in our lives. Payments are made consistently by these jobs, and I can't wait to share with you my top 7 passive income streams in today's video. This way, you'll have a clear idea of what steps to take to generate income even while you're asleep. Let's talk about my first way of making money while putting in minimal effort: creating niche websites full of helpful information. These sites help me earn money in different ways. For example, successwithbusiness.com. If I make a website about making money online, I share tips on selling stuff or starting a blog. It would be best to choose a topic that most people are interested in. Like the earlier topic I made as an example, it could also be travel, food, or even working blogs. These websites keep earning money even when I'm not actively working on them. Once I set them up and add ways to make money, like ads or selling products, they pretty much run by themselves. So these websites become like digital assets that keep making money over time. I don't have to do much once they're set up. They work on their own. It's a great way to make money without too much effort. The cool part is, I don't have to write all the articles myself. I hire people to do it for me, and I make sure the content is good quality. By making sure my website shows up high in Google searches, I get lots of visitors without having to do much work. I just have to note that what I should do is find a way to keep people reading and visiting my website. This strategy lets me earn money from ads and other things on my website. It's important to pick a specific topic that people care about, because that makes it easier to recommend products or services they might want. So if you're thinking about starting something like this, make sure to pick a topic that interests you and other people. That way you can make the most money possible. Are you still watching this video? Well, it looks like I got your attention. Do you want to be notified for the next video that talks about earning passively like this? Then why don't you hit the bell icon? That way you can subscribe to our channel and be the first one to know our next tips. Now, have you heard about email newsletters? These are great because when someone gives you their email, you can send them messages whenever you want. The idea is to give them useful information for free and suggest products they might like. Running an email list doesn't cost much, maybe around $100 to $150 a month, depending on its size. You can even hire someone else to do most of the work for you. With email newsletters, you can make a good amount of money each month, and you can do it from anywhere in the world. I run a few email lists myself, and they not only bring in monthly income but could also be sold for a lot of money later on. Then there's selling digital products like ebooks or online courses. It only requires an initial effort, but the potential payoff can be substantial. Once you've created your digital product, whether it's an ebook sharing valuable knowledge or an online course teaching a specific skill, you can continue to earn income from it with minimal ongoing work. Unlike physical products, there's no need to worry about manufacturing or storage costs. This means that the profit margins tend to be higher. Additionally, digital products offer flexibility and scalability. You can easily update your content to keep it relevant and valuable to your customers, ensuring continued interest and sales over time. To sum it up, selling digital products provides an opportunity to leverage your expertise and creativity to generate passive income streams that can grow and evolve with minimal to no ongoing effort. YouTube channels is another way I make money without working too hard. I create videos about stuff I like, and if people watch them, I get paid by Google. The more people watch, the more money I make. Even from videos I made a long time ago. I also make videos about the things that I know will pique the interest and get the attention of most viewers. That idea alone can attract more people to watch my video uploads. It was a two-way earning. My viewers earned valuable information, while I earned an income. Pretty impressive, right? Investing in something called index funds is another way I make passive income. Instead of putting my money in one company, I put my investments across various sectors and industries, reducing the risk associated with relying on the performance of a single company. This way, I don't have to keep an eye on each company's performance all the time. The beauty of index funds lies in their simplicity and efficiency. Instead of constantly monitoring the performance of individual companies, I can trust in the overall growth of the market as a whole. Since index funds typically track a market index such as the S&P 500, they offer a hands-off approach to investing. I don't need to worry about the day-to-day fluctuations of specific stocks or the need for extensive research and analysis. By investing in index funds, I can enjoy the benefits of diversification while minimizing the time and effort required to manage my investments. It's a straightforward and passive way to participate in the stock market and potentially grow my money over the long term. Proper handling of money and finances will make us realize that we can save a penny or two. One of the wisest decisions I made was putting my money in high-interest savings accounts. It is another simple way I make money without doing much. I just leave my money there, and over time it grows because of the interest they pay me. Rather than spending my money all at once, disciplining myself into saving some for later use is way better. Lastly, I make money by promoting other people's stuff online. If someone buys something through a link I share, I get a cut of the sale. It's easy because I don't have to deal with shipping or customer service. There are available applications that help me with creating the said link. You can have it downloaded to your phones too, or any devices for better access. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something from this video and start earning your first passive income too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other videos for more tips on making money easily. Take care.